बिना ये ज्ञान कहाँ रे मनवा.
Hari Om. Winter time is when Mother Nature herself is showing us a path to go inward. Leaves drop, days get shorter, and animals go into hibernation. All activity seems to be slowing down or coming to a standstill. This is our clue to go inward and deeper into our own spiritual sadhana. What better place than Chicago to experience the warmth of winter and delve into spirituality with Pujya Swami Sharanand Ji and Pujya Swami Aparajitanand Ji.
हरि चरण कमल कैसे पाऊं.
Hari Om. Welcome to the beautiful Abhyuday Retreat Center. Pujya Swami Aparajitananda will be taking the topic of the Shikshavalli part of the Taittiriya Upanishad. His articulate explanation and the clarity of thought will change your perception. Pujya Swami Sharananda will be doing the topic Shiva Sankalpa Stotram, the heartwarming and enlightening 6 stanzas, sacred stanzas from the Vedas.
ज्ञान बिना ये ध्येय अधूरा. ज्ञान बिना ये ध्येय अधूरा. हरि चरण कमल कैसे पाऊं. हरि चरण कमल कैसे पाऊं. बिना ये ज्ञान कहाँ रे मनवा. बिना ये ज्ञान कहाँ रे मनवा.
And we welcome all of you to join us and experience the warmth of Chicago. Thank you. Hari Om.